What if your next phone didn't just fold, but actually felt like a mini tablet in your pocket? That's exactly what Huawei Pura X Max is trying to do. And honestly, it might completely change how you look at foldable phones. Because this isn't just another upgrade, this is a totally different approach. The foldable phone market is about to get a very interesting upgrade because Huawei is bringing something different this time. The new Huawei Pura X Max is officially launching on April 20th, and this is not your typical foldable. Most foldable phones we've seen so far are tall and narrow, but Huawei is going in a completely different direction. The Pura X Max is wider, almost like a passport when folded, and when you open it, it feels more like a small tablet. And that actually makes a big difference in real usage. Whether you're watching videos, multitasking, or even gaming, that wider screen could make everything feel more comfortable and immersive. From the early design previews, the phone looks premium and bold. There's a large horizontal camera module on the back with a triple camera setup. And you also get selfie cameras on both the inner and outer displays. So no matter how you use it, you're always ready to capture something. Huawei is also focusing on style here. The phone comes in some really eye-catching colors like Interstellar Blue, Olive Gold, Phantom Night Black, Vibrant Orange, and 0-degree White, which makes it stand out from typical foldables. Now, in terms of performance, while full specs aren't officially confirmed yet, it's expected to be powered by Huawei's Kirin 9030 chipset. On top of that, you're getting up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and as much as 1 terabyte of storage, which is serious flagship-level power. The display is easily one of the biggest highlights. Reports suggest a large inner screen of around 7.6 inches with a wide aspect ratio. And that's exactly what makes this phone unique. The outer screen is also wider than usual, making it much more usable without even unfolding the device. Battery life is expected to be strong too, possibly around 6,000 milliamps, which is impressive for a foldable and should easily last through a full day of heavy use. What's really interesting is the direction Huawei is taking here. This wide foldable design could actually become the next big trend. Even companies like Apple and Samsung are rumored to be working on similar designs for their future foldables. Pricing is expected to be between $800 and $1,200, putting it in the premium category, but still competitive compared to other foldables. There is one thing to keep in mind though. Like many recent Huawei devices, this phone will launch in China first, and global availability is still uncertain. Overall, the Huawei Pura X Max feels like a fresh and bold step forward. Instead of just improving specs, Huawei is trying to rethink how foldable phones should actually be used in everyday life. And if this wider design really works, it could shape the future of foldables. So now I want to know your opinion. Would you choose a wide foldable like this, or do you still prefer the traditional tall design?